Cake boards are a simple way to give your cake support and some added decoration. You only need a few ingredients to make your very own cake board at home. What is a cake board? A cake board is used to support a cake, or cupcakes, make transportation easier, and improves presentation. They are made from a hard material, such as cardboard, and wrapped in foil. They come in different sizes and shapes, like circles or rectangles. Though you can buy cake boards, making your own allows you to customize it however you like. This is great for making a special one for a birthday party, wedding, baby shower, or anniversary. Cutting the cardboard. Ideally, you want to use heavy-duty cardboard that is 1/8 to 1/4 inches thick in width. If you want, you can attach 2 pieces of cardboard together to create a thicker board. Before you cut the cardboard, measure out the size you need and trace it onto the cardboard. For your cake board, you will ideally want a border that is at least 2 inches larger than the cake if you plan to have an elaborate design or write a message if desired. If needed, you can trace the cake pan you used or one that is slightly larger than the pan you used. Once you are ready, carefully use an X-Acto knife or scissors to cut your cardboard. Lining with foil or wrapping paper. After you cut your cardboard, trim off any rough edges to create a smooth border. Then choose wrapping paper or tin foil to wrap the cardboard. Before cutting your wrapping paper or tin foil, measure it out accordingly. Leave about an additional 2 to 3 inches of wrapping paper or foil to ensure you have enough extra material. Place your cut liner of choice on your cardboard base. Tightly fold the wrapping paper on the board, creating pleats to make a nice, smooth cover that is flat. Use tape, preferably packing tape, to hold the liner down on your cake board. After your cake board is complete, for extra security, you can add a small amount of frosting to the center of your board before placing your cake. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.